Hello, I'm Vincent from 796 Exchange. Here's the tutorial on how to start the translation work for 796.com. I'm going to show you how to get prepared and start the work step by step. Okay, let's get started. First of all, you need to know that our main business is cryptocurrency futures and options trading. These are financial derivatives. If you have a financial background, that would be very helpful. First of all, you need to register an account on our website and log in to see all the contents on the site. Just go through the site carefully and click every button, every link you can see. Open every page. Remember to click the question marks to see the contents behind it. Just click and click. Try to understand our trading mechanism and all our rules to the very detail. Doing so gives you the context of the words and phrases you need to translate. A better understanding helps you translate the contents idiomatically, or better yet, professionally. Because we preferred idiomatic or free translation instead of word-to-word or literal translation. This is our trial site. Everything you edited or translated will go to it and show up here first. You need to use it to check the outcome and effect of your translation. There are two applications you need to download and install. There's TortoiseSVN and a powerful text editor with full text search function, the Sublime. Next, after you installed TortoiseSVN, create two new folders, anywhere you like on your computer. Name it that's language. Another one, theme. All the contents of 796.com are divided into two sections. One is the so-called language package. It contains everything under the navigation bar except the help page. That's the trading interfaces. Now this belongs to the language package. Another section is the descriptive documents. They are at the bottom of the home page. These are the descriptive documents, including the help page. So the lang folder is for the language package, and the theme folder is for the descriptive documents. Now it's time to download the translation documents. Open the lang folder, right click and click SVN checkout. Enter the URL we gave you here and then click OK. An authentication window pop up. You need to enter the username and password we gave you. I'll just use a username and password of one of our translators. Don't forget to click the Save Authentication button so that next time you don't need to enter this information. Click OK to download the documents. After a while, the documents come out. This is our Spanish version. Click OK. And then in the same way, download the descriptive documents in the theme folder. Wait a few seconds. Okay, it's done. Now we can start on the translation work. Let's use Sublime to open one of the documents in the lang folder and in the theme folder. This is one of the documents from the lang folder. In the lang folder, you barely have to deal with HTML, hypertext markup language. While in the theme folder, you do need to use some basic HTML to do some typesetting. Remember, you only need to translate the contents on the right-hand side of the equal signs and in the single quotes. On the left-hand side are the identity codes of the contents on the right. Anything with double forward slashes, either in English or Chinese, are just notes and should be ignored. Each piece of content on our website has an identity code. It helps you track the information, helps you trace each piece of information to the documents. The identity codes only exist in the lang folder. There are two ways for you to check the identity code of each piece of information on our site. Here we go. First, you need to add $debug =1 to the address so as to enter a special mode in which you can check the identity codes of each piece of information. And then put the cursor on your target, any piece of content you are referring to. And then you will see the identity code show up. Based on the identity code, you can find it in the documents using the search functions of Sublime. The debug one mode will somehow make the appearance of the site a little weird. So if you don't need to check the identity codes, just turn the 1 to 0, enter, and then you can make the site get back into normal. The second way to check the identity code: add $key underlined value =, and plus the contents you want to find its identity code to the address, and enter. And then all the identity codes of every content containing the piece of information you are looking up will show up at the top of the page. After you edited or translated something, you need to perform commit to upload your translation work. Just right-click in the folder and click commit to upload your work, so that you can check the outcome of your translation on the trial site. Sometimes you need to perform update to update the documents if we have modified the original contents of the documents. Just right-click and update. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope we can have an interactive, pleasant cooperation to make the translation easier and better.